Hey guys, it's 14th April and I haven't looked at the price, so I'm gonna have a look at it. I haven't actually seen it for a while since the last video, so I'm gonna have a bit of a look because I think something's going to happen. So, last time we drew this resistance line and we are breaking out of it with this candle, so it looks quite intentional actually, and now we are about 24% from the 6th of February low, which is a good take. I would say immediate resistance will come definitely at 78k USD. So we need to get above 78k USD, and then once we get above 78k USD, we will be able to close this gap and maybe push on to close that gap around 100 or 85,000 if we can get above 82,000 or 79,000 by 25th April. Something like that, I think. If you also zoom, I thought initially maybe you can start to draw out a nice triangle, and if we get rejected here at 74,000, but we come back down to close this gap around 68,000, that's a buy, because if this holds, then you're expecting to go back to 74 and maybe stay in this triangle as late as July, as late as early July. So I can do Bitcoin between 74 and 69 until July, and then expect a breakout of the length of this triangle, which is about 21%. So if you take it here, 21 takes us to around 91. So imagine we hold till July and then we push for 91. I guess that's one option, or we get above that line drawn earlier, which is around 80 or 70, 78, 80,000. We're also in this trend as well. So almost, if we do get rejected here and then we go back down and then we go back up and then get rejected like that, I'll start to think we're going down. So that's, I guess, my bear case for now on Bitcoin. So I'm not going to jump into MSTR because I started to get bullish on Bitcoin a few days ago when MSTR was still above this support line here. So this trend line which is now support at 120, shows good posture for, I would say, higher prices, but it also needs to get above 137. So if MSTR goes and gets above 137, I imagine Bitcoin will continue to push up. But I don't know. Can't really say from now. So all I think is this on Bitcoin and MSTR front ran a little bit this move because it went from 121 to 132 in a few days. That's 8-9%. That's quite a lot. Okay, so I'm just gonna go and just check out what's going on. Altcoins. Man, I'm still waiting for 1 inch. So on 1 inch, I'm looking for now 146 to 38%. Something, or probably this goes up to this, to doubling one. Yeah, so I'm still waiting, but good thing is, let me go to the 1 week. 1 week, we're still below 40, so 3 day, we're at 43, which is a good sign. 1 month, we're probably very low on the RSI, 35. And on the daily, 52. So if I think 1 inch, if it can get above 57, which is here, 57, rejected. If it can get above 57, it can probably do something like this. So here, look, if you go here, 52, something like that, around this candle. So means this one could get triggered, and maybe I should just lower this down to around this area, which ties in with all this space resolution. Alright, so that's my plan for 1 inch. Let's go see some other stuff. Bonk flat, but 41 on the 3 day, which is good. Can't really get above 54 on the momentum. Let's see, CC. I don't know why this didn't go through. It should have gone through. 1 sec. It should have gone through. CC is looking, I don't know what to make of this chart at the moment. It looks like it just wants to go up, I guess. Also RSI is on the day 57, looks pretty good. 3 days 53. And the week is 57. CC is gonna explode. So I think after this video I'm gonna top up on this. So let's see anything if I want. Filecoin, nothing. ICP, flat. 42 on the day. Let's see the 3. 45, and the week 41. So I mean, it's calm at the moment with ICP, but it can go back down, I guess, to 30. In that case, you're gonna get this kind of bleed. So I don't know about ICP at the moment. Need to see a bit of a move upwards. IMX, I'm still waiting. guess near is looking pretty good. 45 on the week. 52 on the 3-day. 60 on the 1-day. So I guess near is good. So if I go I don't know. Let's check Pepe. Flat as well. But the week just got into the 40 range. That's good. Daily 53. See Dogecoin. 1 day. Let's check 3 days. 3 days 42. 1 week very low, 36. Dogecoin 36. Is it like this? Could be. Could be. So if that's the case, you could have something like that on Dogecoin. Which isn't great. So this is Doge versus Sheep. If the price is going up, it means Doge is a better hold than Sheep. Trying to see if maybe cycling out of Doge into Sheep is a good idea, but I don't know. I don't know, this doesn't look too great, to be honest. But maybe it's not really gonna do this. I don't know. 3 days. Okay, that's Doge. So Tau is coming back into 39. So I imagine it's gonna keep on coming down, and maybe there's a buy coming in at this area. So that's probably a good place to do a limit order as well as there, I think, on Tau. But these two did not trigger, so I guess low prices are coming on Tau. SPX. Render 53 on the 3-day RSI. 1 week 47. It's pretty good. And 3-day is on 53. 1 day is going a little bit bearish back into 50. So probably lower prices on render as well, maybe getting in around 122 from 159 at the moment. So maybe a limit order around here at 128, which would close this gap here. which was resistance for a while. Yeah, this area looks good. This area looks good to get in on render for a, for a trade at these levels of 130. Okay, so I think for today, Pump Euro, let me just see. Pump Euro is 55 on the day, good. 3-day 47. 1 week 42. I mean, Pump looks pretty good, and I have orders very high up, which I'm gonna leave open. I don't mind waiting for this. Pump makes some good revenues, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the roundup for today. Thanks for watching, and if you can follow or hit like, that would be great. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Ciao, ciao.